Yeah, just little by little.
The acidity of the lime.
You can drop a little bit of lime, but you have to drop in the juice a little bit, not too much. You know why? Because it'll make it sour. You don't want to make it sour. Yeah. I teach you blue.
Acidity of like lemon or orange or something like
It
that.
all works.
How do you make it green?
Pandan leaf. We blend the pandan leaf with a bit of water, and then you drain it. You get the juice, right? And you can make it green. How many sticky rice color that you seen?
Blue, purple, and
Purple, green,
Yeah.
clear.
That's why I'm asking because we had this yesterday.
And they had like little dollops of like different colored rice.
Yellow from turmeric, pink could be beetroot or dragon fruit here, green from pandan leaf, blue butterfly pea flower,
Yeah.
purple butterfly pea flower, a little bit of lime, and then black rice is the rice cell that I bought to you at the market. Okay, you mix it, you see that? Okay, that's good. Now done, we let it sit, right? So we got sticky rice. When you go home, you make in the morning, serve in the morning, afternoon, evening, but not do. I don't recommend to do one day in advance and put it. You can pocket all the taste, right? All the meal before the burn. Mix it. Yeah. Nice. And mix it. Let it sit in the middle. Let it boil. Let it be. Let it boil. Okay, let it be. Let it boil. That's it. You see the green curry on top? It's so green. You see that? Green curry in there. That's a good thing about home cook.